Trees are dropping everywhere. They're huge. The size of this oak just went down. Right in the middle of the got the power company down here trying to get the power back on. Man. Ripped up out of the ground. It just shook the whole house. The entire house just shook. It sounded like glass broke and everything. Man, that thing's old. Down everywhere. Falling everywhere. Nice. Nice size oak. Firewood. My buddy got it right here. Evidently. Golly, that's a big old oak. Was a big old oak. Oh man, it took out a couple underneath it. Looks like it. Nice. Yeah, trees down up there. They dropped on the power line. That's what turned the power off. That's why they're out here working on this thing, landed right beside these folks. So God protecting people out here doing the power company and everything. Dangerous job. Y'all remember that? Oh shoot, I'm reporting this dropping. Hold on. Man. There's another one right ahead.